the top 5 best miter saw with laser recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Dual Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Dual DWS-779 Sliding Compound Miter Saw is precision at its toughest, delivering accuracy and capacity for everyday job site use. This miter saw is designed with a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that delivers extended power and durability. Tall sliding fences support 7/1/2 of crown nested and up to 14-dimensional lumbers at 90 degree and tukes at 45 degree. A camlock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles. Recommendation number 2. Metabot HPT 10-inch miter saw. This 10-compound miter saw offers the ultimate in form and function. With its aggressive design, there is no doubt that this miter saw is designed for the professional. The C10FCH2S miter saw features a powerful 15-amp motor, vibration-reducing horizontal handle, and laser marker system. At only 26.5 pounds, look for this miter saw to be a go-to for your job site. C10FCH2S miter saw, 1024 TTCT saw blade, pivoting flip fence, dust bag, vise assembly, 322,952. Recommendation number 3. Genesis GM 1015 C15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw. The Genesis GM 1015 C15-amp 10-in compound miter saw is a powerful, heavy-duty machine for all your repetitive wood-cutting needs. Straight crosscuts, miter cuts, bevel cuts, and compound cuts are a breeze. Whether you are cutting flooring or molding, doing a woodworking project, or you just need to cut dimensional lumber down to size, a heavy-duty 15-amp motor drives the blade at 4,600 RPM for fast, smooth cutting. Recommendation number 4. Makita LS1019 L10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Makita 10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw with laser, model LS1019L delivers large cutting capacity and accuracy right out of the box. With the LS1019L, you'll get all the cutting performance you need in a slide compound saw, but with the most compact size in the category for increased portability. With up to 6.5/8 capacity, crown molding, nested jobs like cutting baseboards and crown molding are a snap, but with up to 4.3/4 baseboard capacity. Recommendation number 5. Skil 3821 112-inch quick mount compound miter saw. This 12-inch compound miter saw, model 3821, includes the quick mount system, a laser, extension rails, and a powerful motor that make it an ideal miter saw for any intermediate dyer or woodworker. Laser cut line guide for fast and accurate cuts. 9 positive stops for setting common miter angles. Powerful 15-amp motor with 4,500 RPM. Table extension with left/right extension rails for long, large work pieces. Quick mount system for quick and easy setup on Skil miter saw stand.